trending on Procyon Radio and television with Sarah Agbon. MKO All-Rounder is in the house.
We make the news, we break the news.
We give DSS 48 hours to arrest Dokubo. Ohaneze. The Ohaneze Youth Council, the youth wing of the Southeast Epic Social Cultural Group, Ohaneze Indibo Worldwide, has accused the President BOLA Tinubu-led administration of sponsoring terrorism against the Igbos in Nigeria. If Indibo wait for another 48 hours without Asari Dokubo being arrested and or prosecuted for acts of terrorism and jailed, Indibo will be constrained to have no other options than to gather all forms of weaponry for the self-defense to avoid being stamped out of existence in their prime by agents of darkness called Asari Dokubo at the support and or behest of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Billgate, same page with me, Peter Obi. The presidential candidate of the Labour Party has concurred with American business mogul Bill Gates' statement that the rapid exodus of young Nigerians and professionals seeking better opportunities overseas is beneficial for the nation. According to Gates, the recent surge of Nigerians and professionals leaving the country for greener pasture abroad is healthy for the country. DSS warns of possible terrorist attack during Salah festivities. The Department of State Services, DSS, says there are plans by suspected terrorists to carry out attacks on places of worship and recreational centers before and during the Eid al-Kabir celebration. President Bola Tinubu enjoys life in Paris, France, as action pictures videos reveal. President Bola Tinubu has been seen enjoying his life in Paris, France, where he was attending the new Global Financial Pact Summit. MKO All-Rounder. We give DSS 48 hours to arrest Dokubo. Ohaneze.
Yes, what Dokubo is saying and what's the action of the Dokubo now and the way it's bragging is as if our President Bola Tinubu wanted to use him against Easterner. That's why you hear the organization is giving 48 hours for him to arrest, because as far as we know, in Nigeria, when you mention Asari Dokubo is a militant. So a militant is a terrorist. So whereby the president has called him, has met him, and they discuss on security, the insecurity palaver in Nigeria, identities we have in Nigeria. But now he now came out to brag and bring out guns. That is telling Nigeria that is more than our military. Yeah, that is more than our military. And again, you know, it is an accident of Asari Dokubo. He has been saying this, you know, before they arrest Kano. He has been saying that if he wanted the federal government, then when Buhari was on the throne, yes, if he wanted Kano to be arrested, he know where Kano is. Then we can arrest Kano within 2 days. And truly, they arrested Kano in Kenya. Now after Kano, again, he has been talking, the way he's talking, his reaction to the northern east of Nigeria, so it's not so good, because the way he's attacking them, what the other news I heard, where he's attacking Obi too. You understand?
That Obi cannot be compared to him.
That Obi cannot be compared to him. Yes. Obi cannot do this thing to him. So the way Asari Dokubo is taking issue now attacking the Easterner as if somebody
he's
is
even
behind him.
attacking almost everybody because he attacked the security men, the military men, they attacked the Air Force.
They attacked the Air Force. So the way it looks now is that he makes himself to be Asari Dokubo want to make himself like a Sekau onto the nation again, because we don't know. The president called you to assist our security men. You understand? To cop the insecurity.
Yes.
But now the way you are now taking it, you are now taking it upside down. You are now taking it as if the president sent you to southern east. The southern, the eastern part of the country, the Igbos, as if they send you, in particular, as if they send you to Igbo. You are talking bad of Kanu, you are talking bad of Obi, you are attacking them, as if the president is supporting you to attack them. No, what the president is asking from you is that you should assist our security outfits, army and navy, to curb the insecurity in some areas. And let me remind you, if you don't know, Asari Dokubo, calm down. You only good in the water. You understand? Your own, all this brag, we are bragging. Let me tell you sincerely, you are only on water. In the Greek, in the water, that is where you are good. You cannot face Sekau. If Sekau come out with his own this thing, artillery, you cannot face him. So this you are bragging as if you are the all and all. You are all in all. Where you see water, and not everywhere be water. No water for Kaduna, no water for Kano, no water for Abuja. You understand? So no water for Enugu. So the way you are bragging as if Mr. President sent you to the Igbos, we don't want it. We want peace in Nigeria. We want unity. Anything that can bring unity to us in Nigeria now is what we want. You understand? Gone are the days when Buhari will take one tribe to be the security architecture in Nigeria. You understand? We have moved away from that. So it's no more Fulani or the security again. So that is why, if the president in his own wisdom can call you to assist, to bring in your apparatus to help join with our military to curb the insecurity, as if it's a good something. So for you now to interpret it as if you have something in mind before against another, even if you have anything against anybody in Southeast, this is not the time to do that, because we have called you to come and assist.
Thank you. The Japa syndrome.
Now,
Be in the same page with Billgate.
So, yes, the Japa syndrome go for green pasture. Yes, we are third world country. We are still struggling with a lot of insecurity, no job, no electricity, no good road, no fuel. So understand, and finishing your children finish school after the graduation, after the school, no work for them, and some doctors, some professionals, you understand, not good salary, not good environment to work. The Japa, they leave the country for greener pasture in US and some other Western country. That is why people are talking of Japa. And Japa is true that if America should say that today he bring plane to Nigeria, I don't think our president will see anybody to rule again. Everybody will Japa. You understand? That is why we say that president make sure that economy, fix this economic of Nigeria. Let's reduce this, because our brains are going out every day. Every day, everybody wanted to go out. Everybody wanted to go out. It's true, because who want this wahala, insecure everywhere, insecurity, all this politics. Right. So that is why the OB is talking that is agree with what Billgate is saying, because in their own place here, there's a good, they have a good, everything is good like heaven. Some people even will dream in Nigeria. They will see US, Washington, Florida. They will tell us, our pastor will say that God has shown them heaven. It's not heaven. It's people that make that place. So we can also make this place if you have a good leader. So as Obi is telling Billgate that once Nigeria is better, our brains in Japa, in your place, will come back home. That's very good.
DSS warns against terrorist attack during this festive period.
So, wetin DSS want me to do now? Wetin DSS want me to do? Every time, the DSS will be warning. This thing, this. You are the security apparatus to protect us. You know that somebody is going to attack in the mosque, in the church during the festive period. What are you supposed to do? You put some
security in place.
Yeah. So for you now to come and tell me now, you don't tell me when you go to this man in Southwest, which we call Sunday Igboho. Do you tell me when you are going to Sunday Igboho? You didn't tell us when you are going to Sunday Igboho and kill some people in the Sunday Igboho during that time. You see, we forget. So small time now you'll be telling us and they want to attack, they want to do this thing. But when you want to go to Sunday Igboho and kill them there, you didn't tell Nigeria. You didn't tell Nigeria DSS. So when you are doing your work, do your work according to what the Constitution permits to do. So by telling me that I should help you do what? Carry gun like Sunday Igboho. Sunday Igboho, who didn't carry gun? You go and visit them in the night, kill the people there. So, but not telling you that something wants to happen. If you know it, then prepare for it.
That's right. BOLA Tinubu in France, enjoying himself.
Yes.
He's been caught on camera with Macron dancing.
Dancing, yes. Yeah. The Lagos boy is enjoying himself. And when you work hard, you understand, you have time to relax. Now he has gone to, and some people are making rumors that Baba go for medical checkup, he do this. Even if he goes for medical checkup, but you can see him dancing with Macron and in France.
In good health.
In good health. So it's an elderly man. It's an old age. He's there. So even if you go for medical checkup, there's nothing bad in there. So we thank God our president is relaxing and as healthy now and is relaxing, dancing. You can see the dancing step. We are looking forward to your coming back to work on Monday.
Thank you, MK All-Rounder, trending on Procyon Radio and Television with Sarah Agbon.